Are you looking for a waterfront townhome in beautiful Central Saanich? We are at 2600 Ferguson Road. I'm Shane Sear with EXP Realty. Let's check it out. When you're not enjoying your waterfront views, you can spend some time relaxing here in the Clubhouse. We've got a pool, a gym, and a library, and this massive banquet room waiting for you to enjoy. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhome features a unique vaulted ceiling style bedroom that could be used for your crafts or for guests. This unit also includes a single detached garage and 1 extra parking spot for both your vehicles. For more information, call Shane Sear at 250-893-9164.